Morning, dear students. Hope you are fit, fine, and healthy, beta. Today we will start a new chapter. The name of the new chapter is The Story of the Road. It is on the page number 57 in Marigold book. So, beta, in this chapter you will learn a lesson, a beautiful lesson, that we should wake up early in the morning and we should go for a walk. If we go for a walk, whatever benefits we will get, whatever sounds we will listen. But whenever you go in the evening, maybe with your parents or your friends, lot of noise is on the vehicle. As the name suggests of this chapter, the story of the road, in this chapter, if you go to for a walk in the morning, you can listen the beautiful sounds, the sounds of birds, the sounds of animals. Means you can enjoy the beauty of the nature. So beta, let's read this chapter and enjoy the different sounds, and you can listen the sounds of the school going children also in this chapter. So let's start the chapter. Yes. So let's start today's chapter. The name of the chapter, as I already told you, The Story of the Road. This is chapter number 6 in your Marigold book and page number 57. It starts. So beta, before starting chapter, I want to ask you a question. When you wake up in the morning, do you hear sounds from the road? If yes, what sounds do you hear? I'm showing you, means I'm playing some sounds for you. You just tell me, do you listen these sounds? Birds, animals, or any other? This sound, or any other. Think about it. So beta ji, let's start the chapter, The Story of the Road. So first we will read the chapter. It's reading time. So it is early morning. The road is asleep. Asleep means क्या रोड कभी सोती है? नहीं सोती ना. तो यहाँ asleep का मीन क्या है? Asleep का यहाँ मीनिंग है कि no one is passing there. Means everything is quiet. Have you ever gone for morning walk? कि कभी आप मॉर्निंग वॉक पर गए हो तो आपने देखा हो कि डे टाइम में हम देखते हैं कि लॉट ऑफ व्हीकल्स आर गोइंग coming, peoples are moving around, but in morning time, if you get a chance to go out, you will see that there is pin drop silence. Everything is quiet means silent. But listen, means सुबह vehicles तो इतने नहीं होते, 2 or 3 vehicles are there, but you can hear the birds. The birds are calling softly means politely, but sounds they make. So, chirrup, 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 say the sparrows. आपने कभी सुनी है sparrows की sound? I know some of you have listened because in village you can listen this type of sound. Chirrup, chirrup, chirrup. और किसकी आवाज़ सुनाई देती है? Cow, cow, cow. Try to make the sound of word. Yes, speak after me. Cow, cow, cow. Crow. कौन साउंड करता है ये? Crow. Cow, cow, cow. Wake up, wake up. What are they saying? Wake up. जाग जाओ, सुबह हो गई है. Then here is someone else now. Someone else is coming. Tringaling, tringaling. Tringaling किसकी आवाज़ होती है बेटा? Yes, bicycle. It is the newspaper boy. Who is coming on the bicycle? Newspaper boy. So now, listen the sound of sparrows. Sound of crow. Sound of bicycle. So better try to make these sounds, try to imitate these sounds. What sound do they make? Tringaling, wake up. वो भी क्या कहता है? न्यूज़पेपर बॉय आपके घर पर भी आता होगा. And he make always comes on the bicycle and he makes a sound tringaling. Chirrup, 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 say the sparrows. Chirrup, chirrup, chirrup. फिर स्पैरोज की साउंड आती है. Cow, 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 says the crow. Cow, 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 wake up. What are they saying? Wake up, get up early in the morning means we should wake up. Sun has risen. कि sun उग गया है. Just get up from the bed. Now, who is this coming now? Who is coming now? It is the vegetable man. कभी कभी आपने देखा हो कि इफ़ यू हैव गोन फॉर मॉर्निंग वॉक पे जाओ तो आपको वेजिटेबल मैन्स की आवाज़ आएगी. ही इज सेलिंग विच वेजिटेबल्स? पीस, कॉलीफ्लावर, कैबेजेस, सेज द वेजिटेबल मैन. वी आर रीडिंग इट इन इंग्लिश बट आपने आपकी गली में देखा हो तो किस टाइप की आवाज़ लगाता है? आलू ले लो, प्याज ले लो, लगाता है ना, टमाटर ले लो. सो व्हाट आर दे सेइंग? व्हाट इज ही सेइंग? पीस, कॉलीफ्लावर्स, कैबेजेस. पीस क्या होते हैं बच्चों? मटर. कॉलीफ्लावर्स so he is selling which vegetables? Peas, cauliflowers, फूलगोभी and cabbages. जो बंद गोभी होती है उसको हम बोलते हैं. Says the vegetable. Chirrup, 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 say the sparrows. Chirrup, chirrup, chirrup. Now listen the more sounds. Tramp, 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 tramp. Chatter, chatter, chatter. बेटा व्हेन यू कम टू द स्कूल आप भी क्या करते हो? पैरों से आवाज़ करते हो ना, डम पैरों को बजाते हुए आते हो, तो उस साउंड को हम क्या बोलते हैं? ट्रैम्प, ट्रैम्प. और व्हेन यू आर वॉकिंग विद योर फ्रेंड, डू यू मूव साइलेंटली? नहीं ना, बातें करते चिट चैट करते चलते हो ना, तो उसको उस साउंड को क्या बोला गया बेटा? चैटर, चैटर, chatter. When the teacher is not in the class, you make a lot of noise, you talk with each other. That sound is called chatter, chatter, chatter. Who are these? They are children. They are children. They are going to school. They are going to school. Chatter, chatter, chatter. Talk the school children. School children are talking with each other and they are making sound of chatter, chatter. Tramp, tramp, tramp. Go their shoes. उनके shoes कौन से sound करते हैं? Tramp, tramp, tramp. Peas, carrots, cabbages calls a vegetable man. Vegetable man कौन से sound कर रहा है? क्या सेल कर रहा है? Vegetable sales कर रहा है. Chirrup, chirrup, chirrup. Say the sparrows. तो बेटा स्पैरोज क्या साउंड करती है? चिरप, चिरप, चिरप. काव, काव, सेज द क्रो, वेक अप. काव, 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 सेज द क्रो. काव, काव, वेक अप. Wake up, asked the road. Can't you see, you foolish bird? I am wide awake. Now road is asking, can't you see कि it's a morning time, all should wake up. So beta in this chapter you learn 5 sounds. Chirrup, caw caw, and third is tringaling, fourth is tramp tramp, and 5 is chatter chatter. So beta have you ever seen empty roads? क्या आपने कभी देखी है? How did you feel? Means sometimes you go to the market in daytime, so lot of noise is there, and if you get a chance to go for morning walk early morning, how did you feel? I hope all of you feel very excited, very happy, lot of silence, means a peacefulness life is there. So you should get up early in the morning and go for morning walk. Listen the sound of tramp tramp. Chatter chatter. So now I will discuss some new words with you. Chirp, chirp, caw, caw, ching-a-ling, tramp, tramp. So beta ji, read this lesson, make a video of reading and try to mimic, or you can say try to practice these sounds, and beta learn all the difficult words for test. Thank you.